Hello, we're back. Now in this video, as promised, I was going to show you how I made a contact sheet. Again, I'm using a program called View 64. It's a free program. You can download that if you'd like. Here are my source images. Again, I have my 6 patterns here. So what I'm going to do now is go into View 64. And what we're going to do is File, Batch Conversion, Rename. So click on that. Our output format's going to be JPEG. That's good. Now we go over here to the desktop to pick the pictures that we're going to resize here. And I'm going to Source Images. Open that. Now you want to click one, hold down Shift, click on the last one there. You can click all of them. And then just click Add. There they are. Now our output here, you can click Browse here. The output folder is where you're going to save them. Here I've already selected Resized Images, that folder on our desktop. There we go. And then we go to Advanced. And here we're going to just resize all the pictures. So I clicked Resize. Our width is 3 inches. Our height is 3 inches. That's good enough. Or you can do 2.5 if you want. I'm going to go 3 on this one. That, I believe, is it for that. So we're just going to do a resize here. Click OK. And we're going to our resized images folder. And now all we have to do is click Start Batch. You'll see this window when it's done. So let's click Exit Batch. Now you should go over to the resized images folder and see that they were saved in there. They are. That's good. Okay. All right. So now we're going to make our contact sheet with our resized images. So again, we're going back to Irfan View. Again, to do this, to start this, we're going to click File, click Thumbnails, and then find those resized images on our desktop. Here we go. Make sure you select all of them. Again, hold down Shift, select every single one of them. Oops. Make sure they're all selected like that. And then now we're going to go up to File, Create Contact Sheet from Selected Files. Click that. Our paper's width, or our width, is going to be 11 inches by 8.5. Dots per inch, we can change that to whatever we want. Let's go up to 300 there maybe. We're going to have, well, we only have 6, right? So we'll have 3 columns, 2 rows. That will work. Let's try 30 for our spacing for horizontal and 30 for vertical. Same with our margins, and we'll see if this will work. The sheet color here, we're going to just make a lighter color. White's fine. Click OK. And our text color here is going to be, well, let's change that to black. Let's keep the text nice and dark. Click OK. File name, we're going to save this as 12-your last name. My last name is Acker, of course, so I'm going to change that to 12-Acker. And I think that's it. And so now we can click Create. And notice there it did create it, but it's very, very small and hard to read there. So let's try that again. We're going to grab these here. Create contact sheet from selected files. We're going to choose 11 by 8.5. Again, landscape. Let's go back down to 72 on our DPI. 3 columns, 2 rows. That's good. For our spacing and our horizontal, let's try a different number here. Let's try 15. 12-Acker. JPEG's our format. Looks good. Let's try that. Click Create. Yes. And there we go. That's what we want. So Probably want to keep it at 72. You know, it's closer. We got 15 and 15 there. It's almost exactly the way I want it. So it should look something like this when you're done. Make sure the names are showing up on the document. Let's try one more time here. File, create contact sheet from selected files. And again, instead of 15 on the margins, let's try a smaller number. Let's try 12 for these. And let's see how that does. Keep DPI at 72. Click create. And now it's, oh, I see it's getting worse. So we got to fix that. So we're going to do that again. Let's go back here. File, create contact sheet from selected files. We're going to go up this time to 20 for our margins. Now let's do 20 across too and see what happens. So we're just playing with numbers here till we like what we see. Click create. Yes. And that'll work. So as long as the names show up underneath each pattern, then we're good. Now I'm going to go up here and go to File, Save As. And we're going to name this 12-your last name. This is the file that you're going to turn into me. You can make it a JPEG or a PDF is fine. Let's do it as a PDF and see what happens. And actually, let's do a JPEG. We'll keep it as a JPEG. Okay. And desktop, click save. Yes, we'll close that. And you should see it on here somewhere. Let's see, 12-acre. Oh, there it is, 12-acre.jpg. So when you turn your file in, it should look something like this. It should have your typed titles for your patterns and all your patterns on one page lined up like this. So IrfanView is a great program to help you resize your images and create a contact sheet and put them all in one so you can display all your patterns that you created.